Heavenly is an open-source blockchain network for advanced monetary standards installment organization and exchanging. To investigate its beginning, at first the organization framework Stellar was shaped in 2014 by Jed McCaleb, organizer behind Mt. Gox, and fellow benefactor of Ripple, an organization alongside previous legal counselor Joyce Kim, under the name of a site called Secret Bitcoin Project, for looking for alpha analyzers, and afterward Jed McCaleb authoritatively sent off it in 2015. In Stellar's biological system, the financial backers can make, send, pay, and exchange computerized portrayals of all types of cash like rupees, euro, pounds, dollars, pesos, and so on, and alongside digital money Bitcoin too. The principal motivation behind the development of this Stellar network is that every one of the world's monetary frameworks can join as one to chip away at a bound-together performance organization. Heavenly is a decentralized framework that is reasonable for exchanging and unmitigatedly and successfully any sort of digital currency trades. Further, as different monetary standards, Stellar likewise has its own or local computerized cash, which is known as the lumen. It explicitly advances or favors no money as such, rather it explicitly makes practically all the greater part conventional types of cash in this scattered monetary framework more helpful and open to everybody consistently, that is for all types of cash. A comparable advanced symbolic cash can be made. For instance, portrayal of a US dollar cash on Stellar cost is as a dollar token, a computerized token. Subsequently, this is how things have been, that at whatever point somebody stores a customary dollar with Stellar, then it will give them one of the new computerized dollar tokens. The Stellar Development Foundation, the United States-based non-benefit association, is the help-level arrangement of Stellar Web Circle. It continually coordinates, guides, and supports the turn of events and development of the fundamental Stellar innovation on its framework. This foundation helps the upkeep of Stellar's codebase and upholds the working and business networks around the organization, alongside conveying to the administrative specialists and establishments. There are no investors of this foundation, subsequently this framework can be simply dedicated to the achievements of Stellar Matrix as an unbiased, impartial, and public organization. This suggests that the outright force of the Stellar framework grows with the passage of each new organization and engineer in its framework or organization. Heavenly is a framework with no incorporated commander power, however, even without that the records on the framework are checked and refreshed, like clockwork consequently, which suggests that no one can interfere, stop or impede the framework, and furthermore can't cryptically change the numbers on their own will, even it is a public organization still. Heavenly Lumens, XLM, is the local cryptographic money of Stellar, a blockchain stage that permits the trading of computerized to government-issued money. It is an altcoin digital money exchanging under the image XLM on exchanging trades. Heavenly Lumens, XLM, was first presented in the year 2014, and from that point forward, it has been in the rundown of top 20 digital forms of money, according to the most recent exploration report of September 2020. Heavenly Lumens, XLM, is the coin that is utilized on the Stellar Network's blockchain stage. Right now, the XLM cost is roughly $0.2082. Moreover, any remaining altcoins, even Stellar Lumens, XLM, one side enjoy their own benefits, for example, fast, quick, speedy, cost-viable easy money trade, effectively open, decentralized stage, fully transparent framework, seamless exchange conceivable, and so on. On the opposite side, it has its own weaknesses too, for example, mining is preposterous as it doesn't utilize the proof-of-work framework, not broadly acknowledged as an installment strategy. A historical data of Stellar price prediction. The cost of XLM cryptographic money according to reports of October 2020 XLM was $0.0796 or $0.0800 approx. As to test into XLM coins history and future cost specialized investigation information, gauges as well as Stellar cost expectations information, soon not long after its underlying coin offering, ICO, on September 15, 2014, the XLM cost was $0.003. After which, it performed severely and was at its most minimal in at $0.001. Once more, in mid-2018, XLM's worth arrived at an unsurpassed high, however a short spike of 94 cents approx. After the unsurpassed brief spike in mid-2018, Stellar Lumen's cost by and by fell into a negative circumstance, and again before the year's over, it had fallen more than by over 90% for example to 9 cents, and remained practically in a similar reach for the entire year, at max with a high 16 cents in the year 2019. Notwithstanding which the year 2019 was unfathomably terrible for Stellar Lumen's cost in lieu of execution, market cap and furthermore acquired awful execution notoriety on the lookout. After such an extreme cost fall, the greater part of the Stellar Lumen's cost experts felt that this crypto is dead. When contrasted with 2018 and 2019 stellar cost expectation, the presentation of Stellar Lumen's cost marginally worked on in mid-2020 yet again during this worldwide pandemic it fell again to its low of 3 cents, yet it was still fundamentally more important than in the 2 or 3 years of its presence. Afterward, XLM stamped sharp spike and crossed obstruction level of $0.2 mark. Somewhat recently, the cash enlisted ceaseless development in the middle between impermanent redresses. As of late, the XLM coin recorded another high at $0.9381, however later, it stamped sharp downfall and rectified beneath $0.2914 mark. As indicated by Wallet Investor, cost expectations for Stellar XLM is a fantastic present moment and long-haul venture. Continuously 2027, the anticipated XLM price is $0.8047. Thus, one can purchase Stellar XLM. As indicated by Trading Beasts, the Stellar XLM cost will increment hugely throughout the following couple of years. Toward the finish of 2024, the normal value forecast is supposed to be around $0.404234. In light of future XLM price, the cryptographic money has been showing a rising propensity and subsequently, it could be a wise venture guidance choice in the long haul. The future cost of Stellar XLM is anticipated at $0.4660570 over the course of the following 5 years. Heavenly Lumens Price Prediction 2022. The Stellar cost is anticipated to contact 29 cents toward the finish of 2022. The anticipated high for 2022 may be around 30 cents, and on the drawback, the low may be around 26 cents. Heavenly Lumens Price Prediction 2023. The Stellar Lumens could